Now, your first warned weather forecast from meteorologist Jordan Wolfe.
Well, it's a very mild evening across the state line, not only here locally, but also across a pretty broad region as well. You can see we have a lot of this southerly flow where we have that wind direction coming out of the south. That, paired with an increase in cloud cover into the evening, has prevented our temperatures from dropping all that far and will remain the case as we head through the night tonight. Certainly the case for our weather watcher Megan out in Pearl City, reporting a temperature of 54 degrees at this hour, 37 the dew point. That southerly wind 21 to 24 miles per hour, no measurable precipitation. Similar temperatures also across the rest of the state line. 56 now at the Rockford Airport, 53 in Rochelle, Sublette, DeKalb, Woodstock, and in Poplar Grove, 57 in Sterling and in Mount Carroll. Everywhere still in the 50s at this hour, and those numbers really won't drop off all much further into the night tonight. We are significantly warmer than where we were around 24 hours ago by a margin of more than 10 degrees for some of us. 15 degrees warmer in Rockford than we were at this time yesterday. And the main reason for that, not only because of that southerly wind, but also that increase in cloud cover that we had throughout the majority of our evening tonight. Even though it was only the upper level cloud cover, it's acting like an insulation, preventing our temperatures from dropping all that far. We still have that overcast sky, mainly in the upper levels here with our Merciel SkyTrack camera overlooking Rochelle. Also, you can see that very well with satellite and radar. Satellite and radar also trying to produce a few very spotty showers, mainly along I-39 in southern Wisconsin. Not a lot of that making it to the ground, if any at all, because we still have some of that drier air down near the surface. Remember, dew points down in the 20s and 30s, likely going to prevent much of that rain from making it to the ground. We may be able to squeeze out a sprinkle or two as we head closer to midnight. Futurecast depicting some very isolated, widely scattered showers. A lot of that, though, won't quite make it to the ground. So many of us, if not all of us in the state line, will remain dry through the night tonight. We do get a few breaks in the clouds going into tomorrow morning, but we'll have a warm front lifting through the area. That will allow the potential for a couple of additional showers to develop during the afternoon hours on Sunday. Notice Futurecast, again, not a whole lot of coverage with these, and it does have a few of them showing up there, but not a lot of that will make it to the ground, again, because of the limited drier air that we have down near the surface. Now, within that window during the afternoon, there is a potential we could see maybe a rumble or two of thunder, but whatever we do get will remain very scattered, if not very isolated in nature. Then going into Monday morning, we'll look at the wind direction. It'll flip around to come out of the west or northwest. That's behind a cold front. Along that cold front, we have another chance for a very slim shower or two. Futurecast this time around depicting nothing at all, but we will have a chance for possibly some more scattered showers going into Monday evening and Tuesday morning. That may actually be our best potential for any rain to fall in the shorter term window. We also have to talk about the wind, and that cold front coming in on the back end of that system will flip our wind direction around. But in the short term, we maintain that southerly wind gusting near 20 or 30 miles per hour tomorrow, easing up tomorrow night. But then that wind direction flips around with the cold front going into Monday, and we could see those winds pushing 30 to even possibly 40 miles per hour going into the Monday afternoon window, and could remain strong going into Tuesday as well. High temperature 68 for tomorrow with that southerly wind in place, down to 59 though behind that cold front on Monday. Very slim chances for showers over the next couple of days. The best chance coming late Monday going into Tuesday. We'll dry out and cool down for a few days before our next weather system arrives for the middle of next week.